Okay, gentlemen, this is just a short video to explain how to get a video from your phone onto the PowerPoint presentation for the Eden project. I started by taking a horizontal oriented video on my iPhone, and then I sent it to my Gmail account, my MemoHS account, and here you can see it right here. So now I'm going to click on that. It got this whoops thing, but I'm going to ignore it. I'm going to download it. And the first time I did this, just to practice, I had a bit of an issue. I had to tell what kind of program I wanted to open it with. And I used this one. Let me just show you real quick. The VLC media player. So I was able to open, I have that downloaded on my computer, and I was able to open it with VLC Media Player. I'm pretty sure it would work with Windows Movie Maker or something else like that. So again, I'm here, and I'm going to hit download. And so then that's going to put that down in the lower left-hand corner here. I don't know if you can see that. There it is. So you should be able to see that. So now I'm going to click on that. And it's going to run my very exciting video. And then from that point, I'm going to click on the pencil, and I'm going to do View in Photos. And so then it's going to give it to me here, and we could watch it again. It's very exciting. From there, I'm going to go to the upper right-hand corner, and I'm going to say See More. And of course, you can edit it here and all that good stuff. I'm going to Save As, and I'm going to make it movie Eden, and I'm just going to hit save, so I know where that is. It's in my pictures on my part of the universe. So then when I go to my PowerPoint presentation, I go to the Insert tab, and you'll see all this stuff, and I'll go over here to where it says Video, and then a video on my PC, and then you'll see that I have my movie Eden right here. I'll hit Insert, and voila, I can hit play, and my movie works. So that's how it works, fellas. Good luck.